All right, here's another little video for my Spider-Man fans. So the legs on Spider-Man are pretty heavy duty. They're also, rusted and terrible looking after years of being mopped and swept and just left to their own devices. This is off the rear. You can see there's lots of rust. So one option was, replace them, but these are pretty good chromy heavy duties. So what I'm going to show you is just how I took each leg. Obviously throw these away. I have nice new ones, and I'll show you kind of what I did to make them look like brand new. First thing is I clamp it in the vise with a little piece of cloth to not leave any marks on it. And I am going to use a 120 grit sanding block, and I'm just going to rub it until it is nice and shiny. I'll show you in a sec. So you can see how nice and shiny that is now. Almost a real chromy kind of finish. So that was the easy side. The difficult side is back here, where you can see lots of crud. So I'm just keeping it on my workbench, and I am using my vibration sander. I'm using a piece of 120 medium grit sandpaper on it. You can see that's from the last one. And just applying, constant back and forth motion to clean that up. And you can see even a light sanding starts to bring up crap, right? Ugh. All right, I'll show you what this looks like shortly. So that's the rough sanding with the orbital or the vibration sander. Now I'm going to go back to my little block, shine her up, and put a new leveler in the nice clean end. New leveler put on. This is a back leg, so again I want it kind of up as high as it can be. But look at how sweet that is, and ready for another 40 years in a Spider-Man game. Right over there.